and Akadum that time and they go this his model and in the teacher also not in ancient time Senjang or Patang Samjang many things will can happen on below because of big mountain and many of the obstacle today go happening ก็ยอมเนาะ happening ก็โอเคslow but not break down นะ slow but not break down ก็ step by step in Ngo Khong or in the story of Sunjang stories they have the three disciples walk with them also the one man is named Sun Ngo Khong Sun Ngo Khong Sun Ngo Khong Sun Ngo Khong capable but confusing Sun Ngo Khong capable but confusing another disciple named Tư Poi Kai complain a lot but honesty and สัวเจ๋งหรือชาวูจริงนะสัวเจ๋ง quiet and slow quiet and slow นะ slow ทางส้มจังเชื่อนจังthey have the discipline work together go to Chompu Tavi or India in the present in the ancient time but sometimes they have a lot of obstacle also so like this Tudong in International Tudong 2025 we have the Tutankha now go maybe we can say about the obstacle the learnings from the nations by the nature in the season comes for lanes happy lane in another side if we look about the lanes and learnings we basically the atmosphere cool down wow more lane happy lane ล่ะ happy lane ก็ Selamat pagi in the morningก็today can have the one concept and the some draws view let you know of obstacle is the test of determination ก็อุปสรรคเป็นบททดสอบของความมุ่งมั่นคุณโยมเนาะก็ every work every we are doing every journey ก็ normal for have the obstacle sometimes ก็ little sometimes more ก็ like we have the Tudong this year also this morning ก็ have learning they go left behind with few people today my disciple ก็ตื้อป่วยกายor Logan is born but now happily หนุ่ยนะ is the name of สัวเจ๋งนะสัวเจ๋งหนุ่ย maybe slow quiet but never break down นะก็ have หนุ่ย also นะ and Monkey King Rod นะ Monkey King he fast have power fast but short time นะ he go said I will go back เป็นพันเตแฮปนิวทุดงyou go back when พันเตแฮปนิวทุดงเนี่ย he said that monkey king but composite it's said about the Gerasa or the there's something in our heart like anger, like a gate, like illusions. I think normally for human beings, we have anger, we have greed, and we have illusions. ส่วนหัวคง in evidence about the anger, culpable, and but composite. The boy guys, he shown and evidence about the peace because he love many things, he like many things. Many people come to him to apologize. In presence of Greece. And so Jing is evidence of the illusions or moha or unknowledge or avisha like that. So how do we know about the teaching in our mind more and more? Sometimes we have anger, sometimes we have greed, sometimes we have illusion or moha. How to know more and more, how we can learn the teaching in our heart. Selamat pagi in the mornings. For all of you in the mornings. Sehat-sehat pagi. Take care yourself. So in the morning time, after woke up, sitting for meditation, only 5 minutes, 5 minutes. Sorry คุณโยมเนาะโอเคhave learning in the mornings morning time ปากีmorning time have learning in the mornings so today we learn about one thing in the journey in obstacle is a test of determination ประโยชน์ความอุปสรรคทั้งหลายก็เป็นบททดสอบความมุ่งมั่นในการที่ we will succeed in our work our purpose many things we can learn and solve problem ก็โอเคจริงก็come on the charm some for learning นะประโยชน์เนาะ no mind ก็นี่ครับว่า take care to work very close best Selamat pagi how are you so after woke up sitting with them for 1 minute calm down cool down bit in and bit out more and more then go transfer the good thing from your heart the power from your heart the compassion from your heart to your cousin to your family oh wow happy เลยคุณโยมเนาะ happy เลยmore and more and they go stay back in behind นะก็ walk his a few months some day he said his leg cannot walk fast so walk with them together wow ก็ more than a few monthsมีอะไรก็งัดมาใช้ก่อนคุณโยมนะฝนตกหนักมากคุณโยมแฮปปี้เลนนะแฮปปี้เลนเลยวันนี้ทำเนาะโอเคปากีพออยู่แฮปปี้เนาะคุณโยมก็ทุกแก่นะจะหาปากีสมคาพอเขาอยู่นะก็สมนี่ครับจะทำอีกconnectable about the seasons แล้วมาก็เดินนะนี่เลยโยม happy day นี่เลย happy ปากีก็เอาอยู่นะว้าว they have anything for protect my corona work together ก็building hospital ก็nearby คุณโยมis test is our test for the journey we can training for tolerance maybe hot we learn a lot of anything we learn every day and many I meet we only some in the West in my pocketก็จะเกิดnever mind take care determination not step down to be successful is a visual by when you fell down by you get back the visual by you fell down by you get back more when you need toเข้าไปhelping by to get back slow but back not back down never give up because today we have the 31 kilometers workingมุนาพอเอาอยู่นะโยเอาที่พอเนี่ยจริงๆก็เอาสังขารแล้วก็แต่ก็โอเค it's okay โยeverything okay maybe happenแต่ก็ everything okay they stay in high na for India high few months do a bit only for 2 months they can walk fast they keep slow and slow เขาก็slow by mindfulness theyเป็นlike leftได้ประโยชน์นะก็โอเค but the outside but inside ก็ healthy happy กันอยู่มาเนาะก็อนุโมทนาขอเอาอยู่the front ก็ far away ละเป็นไกลละเยอะนะneed to know what is the front what happened ก็ we have light in Hassan or continue นะก็จะได้ต้องทำไลท์เป็นบุกก็ไหม behind อยู่ we have the view แล้วก็ behind you can see behind the front you have on the bank and the new Hassan light di top of solar terima kasih enjoy life follow and kasih semangat pagi-pagi for everyone semua audio pagi-pagi happy jangan sehat bahagia Allah supportเบาแล้วคุณที่ซอฟพอเล่นนี่นะนัดเฮฟวี่ละโอเคtoday ก็ have no เป็นสัมพันธ์นะเชื่อกันผลทุกคนนะเชื่อกันผลด้วยเชื่อกันผลว่าจะเป็นมันเป็นsemua you know healthy happy เนาะก็เดี๋ยวโอเคอยู่เดี๋ยวสิอยู่อัปเดตกันอยู่เนาะขอพักไลน์นิดนึงคุณโยมเจอกันใหม่ See you later have a good day have a good health sehat bahagia no sana take care your heart take yourself take care your power from your heart to have compassion more and more the more kind of power in your heart more and more and good feeling good in your heart more and more satu terima kasih for morning time see you no okay see you later bye bye take care bye bye